You know what? I think it's time. You know what? Just while we're here, just while everybody's here, let's go ahead and I'm going to throw some music on. Let me see. I'm going to pick a good song here.
They ask me how I know it'll be okay, because I know we'll live.
Okay, what I want everybody to do, just for our first challenge, this is gonna get. Let's show you how to play. So for our first challenge, take a picture of money falling from the sky. Make it rain, everybody. Make it rain here. Take a picture of us together, everybody. Just go ahead and make it rain, okay? And we're gonna take your picture.
Another day, sunshine doesn't die, darkness fills the sky, so I will always find another way. They ask me how I know it'll be okay, because I know we'll live another day. Sunshine doesn't die, darkness fills the sky, so I will always find another way.
Wait, off in the distance, if you pass Boston then you missed it. I thank God for this maze, cause here I found my way. I know that some can't say the same thing, with reason blaming and people shaming will get you nowhere. Did he just go there? Bitch, I don't care. One time don't mean one time. More time you'll need, that's fine. Cause when you succeed you'll find you create the wave, you don't need no sign. I seen ace of spades on Labor Day, and trust me, I ain't received no dime. They ask me how can you be so kind, I ask you how can you be so blind. We don't have to be so wild. Why you wanna see the same style and just compare to yo? Something like everything on the radio. Me, I just faded though, because I know I got my music and I know just how to use it. Yes, I know just how to use it. So when your car broke down and you can't get to work, when you spilled juice all up on your favorite shirt, expletives is what you wanna say, but in your mind my music starts to play.
They ask me how I know it'll be okay, because I know we'll live another day. Sunshine doesn't die, darkness fills the sky, so I will always find another way. They ask me how I know it'll be okay, because I know we'll live another day. Sunshine doesn't die, darkness fills the sky, so I will always find another way.
So when your car broke down and you can't get to work, when you spilled juice all up on your favorite shirt, expletives is what you wanna say, but in your mind my music starts to play. Ask me how I know it'll be okay,
because I know we'll live another day. Sunshine doesn't die, darkness fills the sky, so I will always find another way. I wanna rock right now. Another way. They ask me how I know it. They ask me how I know it.
did you get your picture of making it rain? I think everybody here just made some absolute madness there. I think that was a mission success. I think much rain was made.